The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Brown County in northeastern Wisconsin, eastern Door County in northeastern Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Milwaukee, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Milwaukee around 9:30 p.m. Take cover now. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area